this is another video of Termux tutorial. Do you know what is the fast process of hacking or pen testing or security checking of any website? The fast process is reconnaissance, or easy way we can say information gathering is the fast process of hacking or pen testing. The goal of recon is to gather as much information about the target as you can. More the information, more beneficial it will be for further phases of pen testing. Most of new learners ignore these phases, but recon is most important phase of pen testing. There are two methods of reconnaissance: active and passive. In active recon, attacker or security checker directly interacting with the target to gather the information, so it can violate the rule of hiding traces in pen testing. Means you have to be online on that process, which is not recommended. But in passive recon, it means gathering information about target present on internet. In this process, we are not interacting directly with target, so there is no fear of recording or logging of our activity by target. Today I'll show one information gathering tool, which is Httrack. Basically, this is our offline tool. By using, we can clone or mirror any website to our local host, and we can pen testing of that website and get the information or gather the information for ethical hacking. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's go to the Termux terminal. But before going to the Termux terminal, if you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel to watch more informative videos like this. Okay, so let's go to the Termux terminal. At first, I will just update and upgrade the packages. Update, $& and then package upgrade and then -y. Okay, after upgrading, what I have to do? I have to use that tool. What is the tool name? Httrack. Okay, so for install that tool, you no need to go to any GitHub link. You just need to use package install and then type the Httrack, then give enter. So it will install. So it's showing already installed in my Termux tutorial. You just install in your Termux terminal. Now, if you still not done, then you can check it is already installed in your phone or not. How you can check? Using the search command by package search, then the tool's name Httrack, then give enter. So it will show it is already installed or not. So Httrack is showing it is installed. Okay, Httrack data also. So lots of things are there. Httrack data, Httrack static. So I will show how to use this Httrack to clone your any website. Okay, you also can use the show this Httrack package by using show Httrack. You can show what is the package name, Httrack, the version, which is the maintenance, Termux, install size, what is the size of this Httrack, then what is the dependencies, and then break, then home page, what is the home page is this. Using this link, you can get all the details of this Httrack. Okay, these are the things, and you can see it is already installed. It's showing yes, so that means it is already installed in your Termux terminal. So now how to run it? So before run it, you have to do little two things. You have to make one directory where you will copy or you can clone that website, and you have to, at first I'll just check this is the list of directories in my Termux terminal. After then I'll just make one directory using the mkdir. If you don't know which command is used to make your directories and which command is used to move and copies all the directories and files, so you just go to my previous video where you can see all the commands to you manipulate your folders and files. Now come to this video, because there already I showed to you how to manipulate your all the files and directories. Okay, now I'm just creating one directory using this name clone web, then enter. So it's been created. Now go to directory, go to the clone web directory by using cd command, then list it out. Here I have no files and folders. So in this clone web folder, I want to copy, means I want to clone the Chrome Dino page, which is the offline page already, but because of I don't want to violate any activity, so that's why I don't want to copy any unauthorized website. Actually, I don't want to violate any activities using this video, so just I want to clone the Chrome Dino website. Okay, so now how we can clone the website? For clone any website, you have to type first Httrack, then give enter. So you have to give one project name by which it will create one folder. That project name I will just give Chrome Dino and then give enter. Now you have to give the path where it will be created. Now and just clear this thing, go to new session, and here you can see listed out you already have inside the clone web folder. So now how to get the path of this folder? Type the pwd to get the present working directory name or the path. Now copy from here, now go to first session and paste it over here, then give enter. Now you have to give the page or website name. Like I am cloning that Chrome Dino page, that's why I have to use http then colon, have to use this slash chromedino.com, then give enter. Now it's showing what option you have to use. I will choose the second one with wizard, just give enter. Here no need to give, just give the enter. Here also no need to give anything, just return none. And then additional option also not required, just give enter. Now type y, then give enter. Just little bit of time it will take to copy all the website pages into your Termux terminal, and then after then you can use that website which you already clone it. That website you can use in offline mode also. Okay, let it be complete. Till now please like, share and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. Okay, done. Now listed out, see here already one project name means the Chrome Dino folder is there. Now go to this Chrome Dino and give enter, listed out. Here you can see this index.html is the file by which you can run this page over the local host. How we can do? Use the Python. In another video I already showed to you how to install Python. Just go and check that video. Python, then -m, then http, then dot server, then the port number in which port you want to see that page. I'm just using 3000, just give enter. So it will start your this index.html page over this 3000 port. Now go back to Google, open a new tab. Here just write down the localhost then type the port number 3000, then give enter. So you can see one page is already open. Okay, just turn on the internet. So you can see this is the web page by this is already running in my local host. See, localhost 3000. So you can take any web pages on your local host. So now how you can stop this thing, means stop this page. Now go back to the Termux terminal, then by pressing Ctrl+Z you can terminate this page. Now go back to Google. If you refresh this page, now you can see there will be no Dino game. I will just open that page once again, localhost 3000, just give enter. Once again, it's taking too long to detect that page is already running or not, because in my Termux 3 session is running. I'm just exit that 3 session. This one also I want to exit it. Now I want to just open a new session. Here just I'll go to the home page and the first session I will be deleted. Okay, now go back to the page. Okay, here no web page is running, no website is running. The Chrome Dino game also is not running. So if we'll go to this page image, then I already have in online mode, but in online mode I also can run that Google Play game, Google Dino game. Okay, using that method you can do, means you can use your any website to clone that, and so have fun with this tool. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel to see more informative videos like this. Till then, be smart, be cool and be informative to help someone.